Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will discuss about number system. As you know, this is our first class. So today I will discuss about the number system, and in next video we will discuss about the conversion of number system. So without wasting any time, let's start. So need of number system. The first question is why we need some number systems. So when we type something in the computer, we use letters, numbers or symbols. These inputs are high level languages which a computer can't understand. As we know, computer can only understand machine language, which is in the form of binary digits 0 and 1, where 1 represents on and 0 represents off. So the information which we enter is first converted into digital form. It means, as we know, computer only understand machine language. Computer can only understand machine language, but when we use our computer or mobile phones, we generally type any symbol, letter or numbers. So the numbers, the letters we type in our computer system are known as high level languages, and the machine language which computer understand directly is known as low level language. Low level language is represented by 0 and 1, where 0 represent off stage and 1 represents on stage. I hope it's clear. So there are basically four type of number systems. First one is decimal number system, second is binary number system, third is octal number system, and fourth is hexadecimal number system. So today we will discuss about all the four number systems. Decimal number system. Decimal number system is made up of 10 digits from 0 to 9. As you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The total are 10 digits. Decimal number system is a number system which we use in our daily life. You can see the example of decimal number system. This and this both are example of decimal number system. Whenever we write any number system, we represent the number system by the base. As you can see, the base is 10. Here is base is also 10. Next, binary number system. Binary means 2. So it means it is made up of 2 digits, only 0 and 1. If you write 2 from 0, so 0 and 1. Binary number system is from 0 to 1, as decimal is from 0 to 9, 10 digit. Binary is from 0 to 1, 2 digit. All digits digital computer use binary number system and convert the user input from the decimal format to its binary equivalent. As I said, our computer only can understand binary number system, or I can say machine language. Machine language and binary number system both are the same things. So as you can see, in binary number system, base is 2, and there is an important point: base and radix both are the same thing. base and radix. So we can say this is the base, or we also can say this is the radix of this number. I hope it's clear. Next, octal number system. Octal represent 8 number system, means 0 to 7. In this number system, there are 8 unique numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which are used to represent any number in the system. The base or radix of this number system is 8. You can see the examples. Base is 8. So this is octal number system. Next and last is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system refers to 16 digit, 0 to 15. But there is an important point, that is the number system is made up of 16 unique alphanumerical values, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, this is the important point. In hexadecimal number system, we use only numbers up to 9 digit. After 9, we use alphabets. So this is called alphanumeric values. Alphabet plus numeric values. Alphanumeric values. So A, B, C, D, E, F, which can be base to represent any number in this system. It has a base 16 in this system. The letter A represent 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14, and F represents 15. So I hope it's clear. So you can see the example A, B, 7, 6, which is the alphanumeric value, and the base of hexadecimal number system is 16. So that is it for today. In next class we will discuss the conversion of decimal number into binary number system and other important point also. But this is your homework. Write all the number system in your notebook and draw the diagram in your notebook also. You have to draw the same diagram in your notebook which I shown in this video, and all the headings you have to write in your notebook also. So thank you so much, students.